Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm sharing with you how to make this simple Dollar Tree fall table centerpiece. So here I have the carvable pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. I went ahead and took off the stem from the top, and now I'm going to paint it with this beige color of acrylic paint here. I got that from Hobby Lobby. So I'm using a foam brush and just going to cover the entire pumpkin with the beige color first. The next step, I had some gold yellow paint and I just painted the curves of the pumpkin. Then I'm taking this dark stain and just covering both colors with it. And the last step, I just took a napkin and wiped off any excess stain. Let it dry for at least 5 to 6 hours. So here I just have a vase from the Dollar Tree, and we're just going to go ahead and glue it on top of the pumpkin. This is the bottom of the pumpkin where there was no stem. It's flatter on the bottom side. Here I have some beautiful flowers from Dollar Tree. I think these are one of my favorites. So now I'm just taking them off the stem and I'm going to just poke them right directly into the carvable pumpkin, going all the way around. Now I'm adding like this faux hay into the vase to cover that orange center there. And also I'm adding just a little bit right behind the flowers to cover the pumpkin and also just make it a little fuller looking. Here I have these pumpkin clips. And I'm just going to add one into the vase, adding a little more of that faux hay to cover the back where the clip is. Here I have the harvest sign that comes in a 3-pack. I'm using, again, the harvest one. I'm just adding a little bit of hot glue and gluing it to the jar and just tilting it just a little. So here it is, guys. This is really cute fall table centerpiece. And along with it, I just have some other Dollar Tree accessories, and I think it came out absolutely beautiful. I love it. And with that yellow and cream with the stain, just makes it look realistic to me. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this easy Dollar Tree DIY. If you did, don't forget to give me that thumbs up, share the video, leave me a comment, and if you're new, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next video.